Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bubble Floppa. Getting this unique pet involves a few straightforward steps that anyone can follow. We'll cover everything from understanding the basic game mechanics to pinpointing the exact resources you'll need. My goal is to make this process as clear and easy as possible, so you can add Bubble Floppa to your collection without any hassle. Let's dive right in and get started. Now, let's talk about gathering what you'll need. The first step is to accumulate enough in-game currency, which could be hundreds or even thousands, depending on the pet's rarity. You might also need specific crafting materials or unique items found through exploration. Don't forget to participate in daily quests and special events. These are fantastic ways to earn valuable rewards that will help you on your journey to acquire Bubble Floppa. Consistency is key here. With your resources ready, it's time for the exciting part, acquiring Bubble Floppa. First, you'll need to navigate to the specific pet shop or summoning area within the game world. Once there, look for the designated non-player character or an interactive machine. Simply engage with them, follow the on-screen prompts, and confirm your purchase or summoning. In just a few moments, your brand new Bubble Floppa will be ready to join your adventures. It's that simple. To ensure a smooth experience, here are a few pro tips. Always prioritize saving your in-game resources. This gives you the best chance when Bubble Floppa becomes available. Keep an eye out for limited-time offers or special events, as these often provide unique opportunities. Finally, don't hesitate to engage with the game's community. Other players can offer invaluable strategies and insights, helping you acquire your Bubble Floppa even faster. Happy hunting!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.